USDT Masters. So today, as you know, it's CPI. Are we ready for CPI? CPI is known as the new NFP. So yeah, it gives us a really big move. So yeah, let's start first analyzing on the daily. We have a new day. So starting on the daily, so what's the date? So we're just gonna check this date. This date is the 10th. As you can see, is the 10th, and we're just gonna check other previous 10. What happened there? So I'll mark them with this arrow there, like that. I'll just do it like that. As you can see, this is the 10th here. As you can see, and do we have another 10? Let's check. So we just check. Now what I'm doing, I'm just checking the previous days where we had 10. So there's another one there, just to see, can I find maybe similarities between those dates? Can I find similarities between this 10 and this 10 and the coming 10? Understand? So that's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I can check one last one. So the last one is there. This one looks completely different, but yeah, now we're just gonna look at all this 10 and try to see if we can find similarities here. Can we find similarities between that 10, that 10, and that 10? Yeah, it was a consolidation, but this 10 came out. So we had a consolidation there, and the 10 came out. But here it seems like we had an M formation here. If we can check, it just came back to retest cells. Is it clear? Can you see it? We like went up on a Friday, and Monday was also there. Then we came back to retest it on a Wednesday, which was the 10th. Like 10th just came to retest that area. Then we saw cells. So here we see again a Monday. So I see a Monday there. So I see also a Monday there. So it's like the 10th comes to retest a Monday, because this was a Monday also, and the 10th came to retest the Monday. Came to retest the Monday, giving us buys. Okay. So it seems like the 10th comes to retest a Monday, and then it's a Monday of the very same week. Or am I lying? Okay, I'm lying, because this was the Monday up there. But as long as it's a Monday, it seems like it retests a Monday. If you check, this 10 came to retest this, which was a Monday. So same here, the Monday was there. This 10 just came to retest the Monday, and it seems like it retests the Monday high, not the low, because it retests like the one that's high. That's the low, the low of that week, where it was Monday. So even here, if we check, where do we have Monday? We have Monday there. So this is the Monday. So could we be coming to retest there? Because that's the high of Monday there. If you check, that's the high of Monday. Right there. That's the high. And then do we have another Monday? Nope, we don't have another Monday. See drop, see retest. So this is, I think, is a clear Monday that we could come and retest this area there. Maybe going for buys, coming to retest that Monday. Then maybe we're gonna see sells. But it's CPI today, so yeah, we shall see how it falls. So it seems like that's how it is. Just comes to retest the Monday, then sells the high of that. Immediately after the buy, it sells then it comes to retest. Guys, guys, I see it now. I see it. So look, so if you check this area there, just this block, and you also check that block there, this block are exactly the same, guys. Exactly. I see repetition exact. So if you check it, it sold how many times? So I think we skipped Tuesday. Okay, it sold. You saw a sell 1, 2, 3, and then also here you saw a sell 1, 2, 3, and we saw a strong buy. Even here, then we saw a strong buy. Then we saw a sell right at the high there, and then this one just came back, which is this one Wednesday, and then this one opened, went just to the test there, as you can see, coming to the test there, then we're gonna see cells. So guys, according to this, we're repeating this area. So this is true, it is gonna go up there, but it's not gonna close as a green candlestick. It's gonna close as a red doji. It's gonna close it there. So it's gonna go up there, then come back down, then it's gonna retest something below there, then it's gonna buy, but it's not gonna buy that much, but we're gonna continue seeing cells. So we're gonna still continue seeing cells. So let's look for cells. We're gonna see cells. We're gonna see the market going up to retest there, come back, and then retest something. But yeah, that's looking at the daily. That's looking at the daily using the time zone, using the repetitions. We see that we're repeating exactly what's been happening there. We're repeating it again there. So here, it's not that. The only clear thing is that we know that the 10th is going to create a high for the month, or the high for the week. Because as you can see, the 10th created a low, and then it created a low for the whole month of July. So the whole month of July, as you can see, it closed above. It closed above, even here. So it was the 8th, and as you can see, created the low for the whole month of May. And then that's when it changed direction on the following month. And as you can see, we're on the start of a new month. So we're expecting it to create a low for the new month. So we're going to be selling. There's a high chance we might be selling until the new month, until the start. So this sell that we're going to catch at that area might be the sell for the month. Obviously, there must be a sell of the month. So it's up to you. So going for that sell, I don't know how much we can go for, but I think maybe going for 700 pips, or holding it until the following month. I think that will be up to you there. It will be up to you. So that's looking at the day. So immediately once we're done with the day, what do? We come to the 3 hours. So what happens on the 3 hours? You know, guys, I've been telling you, on the 3 hours, I look for formations. That's the only thing. Let me remove these things. So that's what we look for. We look for formation. So I'm saying we're going to come back to this area and retest that area there. So is this area a key level? So let me see if it's not a key level, but we're coming back there. So the key level is just above a bit. Okay, the key level is there, but we just know that this area there, it's gonna be a nice place for a turnaround, a nice support for a turnaround, a nice support for a turnaround. But yeah, you shall see. So that area there, it's gonna be a nice place for buys. So as I say, now we look for formations. So what we know that we have to push. We have to push there. That's what we want. We want to push here so that we can now aim for sales. So, and I see here we have an imbalance there that has never been retested. If you can check, we have a nice I don't know, it's like a gap or something. So we have a gap there that has not been retested. And then so we have we have this that hasn't been retested, that says strong resistance. We have a key level 550, strong resistance was only retested once. And then we also know on the daily looking at the daily, that this area is a strong place for sales. Also on the daily, we know, make it a different color, make it, so we know also that's so here the very strong. To break here would be easy. That's what I can say. It's not that I'm saying it's impossible. I'm saying it's not gonna be easy to break this. It's not gonna be easy. So yeah, now let's look at formations. So at this area, that's where you look at formations and also look at trends. So let me start with the trend, because I already see a wonderful trend forming here. So that's the trend right there. That's the trend. See a beautiful trend right there, as you can see it. That's a nice trend, right? You can see we're going up, that's an uptrend. And then if we check the time zones at that area, we see that there it's 15. And then is it 15 here also? It's 15, yes. So if we come back there at what time? Obviously at 15. If we come there at 15, we're gonna see buys. Gonna see buys if we come back there at 15. So that's what we're looking for. So this trend line is known as a strong trend. This is a strong trend. It's a very powerful trend. That's got, if we come back to retest this, we're gonna see just be gonna see buys. So entering buys there, it's gonna be good. Entering sells there, that's also good. It's there. So yeah, but let's look at formations. So which day are we with formations? So the previous formations that we have was this one right there. That was the previous formation we had, the M formation, but it just came just to do a head and shoulder. So this was the M formation. It didn't reach. So we aiming to just go past here. We're aiming that CPI will push it, that we come at least there, before we see sales. We're aiming it at least it will reach there. But I don't know. But yeah, but what we know, that was our previous formation. But this formation, we haven't broken here. So I can't start counting. Yet. Yeah, this is not easy here. Because that was our M formation there. But we failed to break here. If we broke, that's when I'm gonna say, yeah, now we're going for day one. But we failed. We just reached there. Now we came back there, confirming now a head and shoulder. Now this is like a head and shoulder formation. So the way this formulation is happening, it has to first break here before maybe we can see cells. Because I can't start. We're still in a formation. We're still in a formation. We're still in this head and shoulder. This head and shoulder is not yet complete. We have to wait for it to complete, and that's why I think now we're going to get to that area, because this W formation is not done. We have to break there in order to say now we're done with the W formation. And then as you can see, now it created a triple bottom, or I could say head and shoulder. So it just made it went from W formation to a head and shoulder, and we're now going back there. Like, it's busy confirming that I'm not done. I have to be there. I have to go there before now we can start a new formation. So with formations, we're still in a formation. That's what I can say. Still in a formation. So because we did enter buys hoping it would reach there, but it came back. So we're still hoping for it to come back there. That's what I can say. So also looking at the time zones at that area. So we don't know what time is gonna get there, but do we have time zone resistance? So we have the 3 there. I'll make it with white. So that's the 3 there. No. That's the 3. There's so many lines. So that's the 3 outlook there. And 12. And another 3 there. That's also another 3 there. So if we come back there, so that will just depend on the market. So we have 3 there, and then there we have 18, and there we have 18 again. So this was just an 18 and 18 that confirmed. uh, and then yeah, failing. I don't know. Are we taking that as an M formation? Or are we taking that as an M formation? Oh, but this was the date, right? Yeah, this was the date. Oh, yeah. You're gonna see things. You're gonna see things. So yeah, but immediately once I'm done with the 3 hours, done with the daily, done with the 3 hours, now I go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, that's where I draw my key levels. So that's where I draw my key levels. So I have my 250 there. And I have my 550 up there. Okay, I already drew my 550. So I'm just gonna use this key level. And as you can see, this key level, we have an imbalance right below it. And we saw a retest and it went up. So this area, it's a strong support, this area, to take the market up. But yeah, we also have this zone there. We also have this zone right there. So taking TP at that area will be a good idea. And here we have 1, 2, 3 zones. Here we have 3 zones at this area, but we saw that this zone has been already been taken out. The zone has been taken out right there. So now we're just maybe looking for that zone and that zone to be taken out. So, but I could say that this zone has already been taken out, so it's been retested once, twice. So I think removing it is not a bad idea. And maybe aiming not also for this zone because it's been taken out, but aiming for that zone to see what's gonna happen there at that area, at this area there. So I think that's a good idea. So here at the key level we had a break. So as you can see, this was the break. And then here, this is known as the confirmation up. So we had a break confirmation up, and we have this imbalance that has been retested here, but we have also this one. So this is this zone has already been retested here. So this zone was it's not a clear perfect retest. So this is not a clear perfect retest. Yes, obviously didn't touch it completely, but it did come. It acknowledged that it was there. But now we created also this area for that. So looking for buys at that area to go there, it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea because we have a key level there, and then we also have a zone. So we have 2 beautiful supports there. So going for buys at that area is good. So here we were hoping to break that place. So we're hoping that we'll break that area. That's the hope. We're gonna break there because we already tested it twice already. So there's a very high chance we might break that area for buys. But this area there, okay, I see the retest. I didn't see this. So I see it was retested. What am I doing? I see it was retested there with this one. I see it was retested here with this one. So that was the retest there, where we retested that zone. This was the first retest, and then this was the second retest. But also we also had this zone here, also had this zone. So there is why we had so many areas here for cells. This was just a too much cell area here. It was too much cells here, too much. But yeah, many of them are taken out. This is taken out. That has been taken out. That has been taken out. This is the only one left that has to be taken out. This is the only one. So we still maybe have to, because this has been taken out, this has been taken out. We just left with this one to get taken out. So we might see a bit of a struggle to break, depending on the news, because the news doesn't care. So, but this area might be a place maybe that might block us taking the market down. Because at this area, do we have zones? So at the moment, we don't have zones at that area. So we're just hoping that it's just gonna maybe retest at that area. Or if it does break, we do know that these areas here are very strong support. But if you don't want to miss these entries, just make sure that you join my Telegram group So if you join my Telegram group, I send signals for free. So my signals are free. So if someone says I'm charging how much, that's that. I'm telling you now, they are completely free. I don't charge for signals, but I do charge for the understanding of the time zone trading strategy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna conclude it there. So what I am waiting for at the moment, in order for me to confirm that this is bias, obviously I'm just waiting for this candlestick to close as a green candlestick. We want it to close as a green. So if it closes as a red, we don't enter. We leave it. We wait. Maybe we're gonna miss this entry. Maybe it's gonna leave without us because we look at confirmations. We want confirmations before we enter. So that's what I'm waiting for. But immediately at 8, immediately once it closes, yeah, I'm gonna send a buy signal at that area for buys. Yeah, but I might maybe put my TP one there, because this, it might still be a strong support, but yeah, my TP2 obviously will be at that area. So I don't know how many pips we are aiming for. It's not a lot. It's like close to 190 pips. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. But yeah, I'm done. I'm done. So again, I say, if you want to join my Telegram group, receive free signals, receive mentorship, understanding of the time zone trading strategy. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. So just join our Telegram group on the description, and yeah, we'll talk from there.